Hey guys, Kevin Auto Instead here. So tell me why you had to just finish the whole work and the engine behaves like this. I'm so disappointed, man, and I feel like, oof, it's so tiresome to face this reality, and it's so draining. Unless you have passion, you're going to give up. So we just replace this steam engine on CX-5 and see how it's behaving. I'm so disappointed by the way, and the factory engine is very expensive. Okay, so this engine has a problem, and as you can see, we have just started. It has not run for even 5 minutes, and you see, we have already changed the fuel, the water pump, and you see the engine how it's behaved. It hasn't warmed up. We have done the air breathing and everything, change the water pump, and man, we have no option. This engine has to get just down. And I'm going to bring you step by step episode on how this goes down. Okay, remember to subscribe and like, see the work that we are doing, and it's draining, but we are moving.